Alam niyo yung tipo na parang, alam niyo yung tipong there is this whisper sa tenga niyo na every day something is saying to me na you meant to be doing something more. You meant to be doing something more. And this is became loud each day. Every time I would go to work and I would find myself idle, it's just crazy. The thoughts is just getting loud and louder. So it was never easy to leave a company in the midst of COVID, but that jump had led me to a wildest journey that I could never imagine. And being in a place where you're the person who's responsible for your money, who's responsible for everything, how you will be able to live in the country for your visa, it opens you up to this whole kind of experience that